Well, welcome to Aspen Developments Corporation pre-IPO offering. It's been a long time and awaits. Here we did our pre-campaign back here in July and August, and we just got our subscription and our private placement memorandum, and we are ready to roll it out to our private members only. You're either associated or a friend of one of us, so congratulations. Thank you for coming on board and showing your interest. Of course, your shares will be secured by Aspen Development Corporation stock, also by, the 103-year-old Western Sierra Mining Corporation. So we would like you to review in its entirety the memorandum and subscription. Once you've reviewed both in their entirety, of course, choose a level at which you'd like to participate, and then send in your subscription along with your check or wire after you speak with us and to confirm your subscription agreement. So you send over your subscription agreement on your desired amount of shares you would like to participate in, and then we'll send you back the commitment either confirming that number of shares or we can give you an offer of what we can let you participate at. Now this brings up another question. Can I buy 1,000 shares? These are at 50 cents on the dollar, so we usually require 2,000 shares. If you're an old friend or someone who just really wants to participate, give me a call. I'll let you know if I can do it or not. How is the money secured until I get my stock certificate? Question number 2. That subscription agreement signed by myself, the president, and the secretary of the company, Christine Pearson, will be your security. Number 3, are there stockholder meetings? Yes, once a year. You'll be notified 60 days in advance. They're going to be around August 12th. Number 4, do I get a vote with my shares? Absolutely. Number 5, what chance is there the stock will go to zero? Well, almost zero, since we're investing in real estate and there isn't any salaries or anything else coming out of this. These monies that are raised by the stock, it's directly going into real estate development. So we're buying these distressed properties at pennies on the dollar in most cases. So the chance of it going to zero, pretty much zero. What are the plans for the monies from the stock offering? Well, to increase our ability to develop real estate from Aspen in Colorado all the way down to the Front Range to Denver, the city of Denver, and the bigger marketplaces, Fort Collins, Boulder, and then in your resort areas, which is our main focus from now until probably 2017, just because resort development has such incredible margins. The margins in the resort areas, if you know what you're doing, and you know the design, and you have the foundation and the management to go along with your design, your crews, and the capacity to work in these environments and take full advantage of these $30 million mansions and make $15, $20 million on the front end. Well, those margins are incredible. The bread and butter of the Denver and the metropolitan cities, at 15 to 20%, they're good too. And they keep us, busy during the slow times or during the market crashes, as it were. That's how we maintained through the last crash. Now, how is the management and staff paid, and how much? Well, management and staff aren't paid. Aspen Development Corporation, we have shareholders, including ourselves, but we are not paid. We are riding that stock. We are pressing more value. We are increasing that dividend, if you will. So we're paid based on performance, and so are you. So just commissions are paid out of that. Contractors who develop for us, real estate brokers who find properties for us, they're paid, but it's just the same commission that everyone else pays them. So all paid on performance. Who determines the direction of the company and its investments? Well, the board does. The board does. We have insights from any of our professionals that work with us, our staff, our management, but yes, it could be you if you have a great idea. How can I track my stock value? You'll be able to track it right on AspenDevelopmentCorporation.com's website. As soon as we have our ticker symbol here in the next few months, we'll have that placed right on the website. How long do I have to hold my stock? Well, you'll be able to start trading it as soon as it goes public on the stock exchange. We'd prefer that you hold it for a long time, but 3 to 6 months is probably the minimum. How high do you think the stock will go this year? Well, it could go anywhere from $3 to $5. We are shooting for the $5 range here first year. So if you're investing at 50 cents on the dollar, well, you've tenfolded your return. So $3 to $5, that'll get us out of the penny stock range. And once we're out of the penny stocks, of course, we attract institutional investors, and that will take us to the next level, which is our goals. So getting up to the $100 million valuation, we're shooting for 1 to 3 years to get up to the $100 million valuation. I think that we'll be there here within 1 to 2 years. $1 billion company within 5 years. $1 billion company within 5 years. We were really excited about that. And of course, our shares will just, skyrocket when we get there. So commitments, please send your contact information as well as your subscription and your commitment to Aspen Development Inc. at gmail.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or send us over an email. Happy to schedule a conference call if that's what that will help you. Other than that, send over your subscription, your desired amount of shares, and we will contact you, hopefully being able to fulfill your subscription in its entirety. Until then, thank you so much for your participation, and we look forward to making some money together.